Hi, it's Fitz with Slap Chop. You're gonna be in a great mood all day because you're gonna be slapping my nuts. One slap,
You have a bruised hooker.
two slaps.
You have a bloody hooker.
The more you do it, finer it gets you, finer it gets you.
With your mom. With your mom.
Alright, or you can do it on the board, whatever you'd like. It's worthless. Forget about it. Pops open like that, like a butterfly, clean. One slap at a time.
This product sucks my balls.
When you buy the Slap Chop, we're gonna give you the Grady.
For shit.
White cheese, yellow cheese, in the container. Comes with a twister.
Your mom. Your mom. Your mom. Your mom. Your mom. Your mom. Your mom.
Look at that. Comes with two blades. Just bang it. Just bang it.